What's going on, guys? So I'm back. Happy Tuesday, right? Today's Tuesday. So I was out of the market yesterday as well as today. I really don't know what came over me. You got some sort of 24, 48-hour bug, but fever, everything, chills, the body aches. With that being said, let's get back into the market, feeling a little bit better here. So let's get into the swing of things. We know that AMD had earnings today and looks like they blew it out of the park. So one thing that I do kind of want to keep in mind, semiconductors are always going to be the first ones to either lead us down or they're going to be the first ones to sort of pull us up. So when we talk about the triple Qs, the Nasdaq 100, for example, right? Everyone was relying on those good Facebook earnings, on the Microsoft earnings. We've seen what Amazon did, the Tesla, but it's the semis that are going to lead us out or lead us down. With that being said, currently trading at $97 today, up about 6 points after hours. We closed the session at $91. What I do want to keep a look at here is this purple line you see on our screen. We have not traded above it since going all the way back to March the 29th. This purple line is a 20-day moving average. This is very, very significant. So you can kind of see here this $96, $97 area, this first line that I have here on my chart. We have not only cleared out the 20-day moving average in the after hours session, but trading well above it. The next bit of resistance that we're going to have here is this $99, $100 area. If we can confirm that, we do have room to stretch all the way back up to 105, 103, which is the linear regression channel 50, as well as the 50-day moving average. So one thing that I do want to keep in mind going into tomorrow's session is definitely going to be AMD. It's definitely going to be NVIDIA. It's going to be some of the other semiconductors. If they can hold this, and the news with the Fed minutes and everything tomorrow comes out good, then maybe we get a little bit of a relief bounce. Maybe we get a little bit of relief for the good guys, right? So, I mean, it feels like 2022 has been nothing but red days, nothing but a lot of choppiness. Can we get a little bit of a temporary relief rally? I think it would be, all well and good for everyone, all parties involved, if we can get at least a week or two of some green days, right? So with that being said, let's keep an eye on what AMD does into the pre-market tomorrow. Definitely going to be on my top watch list. Guys, if you're not in the Discord, please join the Discord as we are doing intraday live trading, throwing out levels that we can day trade, scalp each and every single day. Definitely also want to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, but just to kind of give you guys some levels here. So on the second, we closed over the 5-day moving average as well as a 10-day. Today, we also closed and confirmed that 10-day moving average here. So it was, prior to earnings, looking good to run into the 94.31. This was to be expected if we can continue to build. Earnings blew it out of the park, and now we are skyrocketing over that level. So it's very, very good for the bulls that you guys want to see that. But just keep in mind, though, 99 is going to be the next supply zone there. If we can't get over that $100 area, look for a little bit of choppiness in that range until we either confirm that with the rest of the overall market or we kind of lose that area. And at any point in time, this is for just a short scalp, not, a setup that you want to be in for 2 or 3 days, but maybe a short scalp. If the market, something happens tomorrow, and we do get, a little skittish, if we do start to lose that $94 area and we lose the reclaim of the 20 SMA, maybe there's a potential short scalp there. Again, something that maybe you want to get into for 5, 10, 15 minutes, not something you want to hold all day, especially being over the 5 and 10-day moving average. I'm talking about just a short scalp. For me personally, I'm looking for that longer play. I need a little bit more room to run, and I definitely like the long setup through earnings highs. That's the setup I like. That's the setup I want to roll with. So let's see if we do have some sort of flat or pullback open at any portion of the day where we get a little bit of consolidation or pullback. I would kind of personally stay away from the short scalp and just kind of wait for that to kind of ease itself up and then take out those highs. I think when we can take out those earnings highs, whatever we seem to close at right now, currently at 97.20, right? If we can get over those earnings highs, we do have room to run into 100, 103, and 105. I hope this video helps you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Discord. I'll see you guys all later.